I said, okay, cool, I'll do it for you for free. It ain't costing me nothing.
I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a give a pretty brown girl her space?
Hey Naked family, thank you for tuning back into my channel. Today I have to do some sugar scrubs. I told y'all I was gonna start vlogging to show y'all what I do on a daily basis. Today I have to do these sugar scrubs for Jennifer. I don't know if you guys watched my Instagram, but like I said, if you don't follow it right now. And so yeah, so I did a Instagram live with Jennifer Hammock, and she actually reached out to me and asked if I can sponsor her event and do some swag bags. So right now my stomach is killing me. I have my menstrual period. TMI, I know, sorry y'all, but oh my god, see, that's why we just, as a business owner, you still have to do what you gotta do. Like, so I'm dressed up because I have to go somewhere after this. So I'm gonna pack these up. I have to do 75 of these. I did some labels. I'm gonna do these really quick. I actually decided to do the rose water, not the rose water, the what is it called, y'all? I can't think, my stomach hurt. What is it called? Sweet water. So I'm gonna do the sweet water lip scrubs, and I got these little jars, and I'm gonna fill those up. Try to fill these up really quick and get this done ASAP. Oh, y'all, my stomach is really killing me. Y'all don't understand. Like, my stomach is really hurting. And I never used to have bad menstrual cramps like this. But I don't know if it comes with age or something, but woo. Tell you, this is not it. This is really not. A lot of people like tell me like they get bad cramps, and I never used to understand it because I never used to get cramps like that. But like I said, I don't know if it's coming with age or what, because this is not it. This ain't it, boo. I'm getting sugar all over the place, but let me go get this other pack. Hold on, y'all, I'll be back. So yeah, this is the these are the packs. These are the little containers I had got from Amazon, just so I can get this done as soon as possible. I'm getting sugar all over the table. But I'm gonna try to hurry up and get these done so I can go. I have a meeting at 2:30. It's 1:30 now. Hopefully I can finish in time. Y'all don't understand. So I'm trying to get these done. First of all, I need to wipe this up because there's sugar everywhere. Sugar everywhere. I'm not gonna put water in this because I don't want it to that's not the type of sugar scrub this one is. I don't know if you guys bought sweet water, but this sugar scrub is not. It's just sugar and oil. It gives it that, I can't think right now, y'all, but I'm gonna show y'all when I'm done. It gives it like that snowy look, like snow. So, and this one I have a scent in it. That's how I get the rose petal smell. This scent is from Candle Science. Candle Science. I'll link it below. And I don't know if you guys do sugar scrubs, but if you do, that's where I got that scent from, your rose petals. And it smells so good. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna show y'all. I'm trying to hurry up. I gotta open these. Try to do these really quick. I'm gonna open all of these. I have, so how many come in a pack? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. So 24 come in one pack. So I'll be doing this for a second. Catch y'all back in a minute.
Lucy Lou, with my girl Drew, Cameron D and Destiny, with Charlie's Angels. Come on. Question: tell me what you think about me. I buy my own diamonds and I buy my own rings. Only ring no silly when I'm feeling lonely. When it's all over, please get up and leave. Question: tell me how you feel about this. Try to control me, boy, you get dismissed. Pay my own car, no, can I pay my own bills? Always 50-50 in relationships. The shoes on my feet, the clothes I'm wearing, the rock I'm rocking, 'cause I depend on me.
Hey y'all, so I finished my scrubs. I'm about to put the labels on them. I did can you focus? Just a little something just to put on top really quick. So I'm about to put these on here. The event is in April. So I have these. I finished these. What else? I have this. I have an appointment in like 10 minutes, so I have to do that. And then I have to go to another meeting, which is why I'm dressed. So I'm just showing y'all what I do on a daily basis. I'm supposed to be working out later with me and hubby. So that's going to be done. I'm trying to lose weight, y'all, okay? So I'm doing that later. I didn't do my taxes yet. I just finished doing my bookkeeping. If y'all missed my video, go check it out. As I talked about the importance of bookkeeping. So yeah, just to show y'all how it looks. Did it focus? Alright, let's try to see if it focuses. There we go. So yeah, just something simple, y'all. Nothing too crazy. So this is just for swag bags. So this is just samples that she just wanted just to shout the business out and stuff. So I didn't do nothing too crazy. Like I said, I just did the lip scrubs using the Sweetwater ingredients. And yeah, that's basically it, y'all. These are the matte. These are the gloss paper. It's not. I didn't get the waterproof only because it's samples. It's not like they're gonna be. This is not gonna last a long time because I only did a little bit. I only did like 2 scoops. So I didn't really want to get crazy with purchasing waterproof labels because it's not like I sell this on the site anyway. So that was gonna be like a little. That was gonna be a waste of money. So I'm just like, you know what? As long as it has the label on there with naked information, then it should be fine. Should not be that serious. I just made this design on Canva, y'all. As I said, you can create your own design for your labels and simply just transfer the design onto Avery and then they'll print it out for you. A lot of people print it out at home. I don't have time to do all of that. That's just too time consuming, honestly. I mean, not if you know how to do it. I mean, I'm not even going to say that because if I could teach myself, I'd teach myself, but I just don't have the time for it. If I could just simply just do the design and just, I mean, even though I have to wait for it to come, but it's usually fast delivery and I do my inventory so that I don't have to worry about waiting to the last minute to order. So, other than that, I don't do it myself or print it. I do have a printer, but like I said, I just prefer not to do that. Like, I don't prefer to do it. I just have other stuff to do. So, yeah. So that's, I'm getting through this pretty quickly. Thought it was going to be all day. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to print some orders, y'all. What are y'all doing these days? What are y'all doing these days? It's getting nice outside. I hope going out, enjoying the weather, and all that good stuff. Because I know I am. Sure. Honestly, I think these were cute. The white on white. It gives me like chic, very classy, very And I like how I did the lip scrub in black so that it kind of stands out. And yeah, I think it's cute. It's actually really cute. Honestly, a lot of companies don't do this because they are cheap. A lot of people don't want to sponsor events, but if somebody reaches out to you and asks you, I honestly would say do it, because it gives you the opportunity to put your brand out there. Like, you know, it doesn't matter if it's free. It doesn't matter. Like I said, I only did 2 scoops, and these jars literally cost me, what, $11 for 24? That's not bad. And you're getting the opportunity to get your brand out there to 75 people. So instead of, it's kind of like you're doing a pop-up shop, but you're not there. Another thing, y'all, you know what I want to share with you too? I had somebody who asked me to, so I have this friend, right? And I was doing gift bags for, this was during, when was this? This was during, when was this, y'all? I can't think. So this was during Christmas time. I was doing gift bags, and I asked her, she does robes, and I asked her if I can, you know, get the robe wholesale, and this way I can feature her robe in the gift bags. She wanted to charge me full price because she's like, oh, you're gonna make money off of the gift basket. But let me tell y'all something. It doesn't matter if I'm gonna make money off the gift basket, because this is, if I'm selling to my customers, of course I'm gonna get money off the gift basket. But if somebody is giving you the opportunity to put your stuff in their gift baskets or their gift boxes, do it. Stop being so cheap. Because guess what? You thirsty on getting, if it's not like you're losing money, because I'm paying what you would pay for it wholesale, right? And then this way you're having the opportunity to get your product into somebody else's hand. And you don't know if that person might want to order from you. So instead of you saying, oh, instead of you feeling like you're going to miss money or whatever, it's not always about money, y'all. It's not. Oh, okay, I thought it said my battery was about to die. I might just trying it. All right, there we go. So yeah, it's not always about money, y'all. Like, it's not. Like, it's just about getting your brand out there. Listen, people don't know how to be a business person sometimes. I have so many people who ask me if they can have my stuff in their stuff, and I'll be like, yeah, no problem. Like, I'll give it to you. Like, even the other day, not the other day, but my husband's cousin was doing a she does tea gifts, tea baskets or whatever. And she asked me, she was doing a blackout Friday thing, and she was like, hey, I want to feature your brand in my tea stuff. And I said, okay, cool, I'll do it for you for free. It ain't costing me nothing. I already have the product here. It's not like I have to go buy anything. The only thing I honestly had to buy was the jars. And I didn't even have to buy that because I already had it, and I was planning on doing a pop-up shop, but I didn't even use it. So I didn't even have to buy anything, and I simply just was like, you know what? I'm going to just do it for free, because it's giving me the opportunity to get my brand out there, y'all. Like, I don't know. Everybody's different, though. I can't tell you how to run your business, but honestly, if you have an opportunity to get your brand out there, just take it. Take that opportunity, because you never know whose hands it'll get in. You feel me? So that's a little business tip. Ooh. Let me tell you something. I had this in, I had my lime in a drawer with onions, and I can taste the onions. I don't know why I did that. but whatever. I'm thirsty, so I'm gonna drink it anyway. So I had to get more labels than I needed because it came with like 96. So just have some extra left over, and I can also use it at another event. So So yeah, I'm about to like I said, I have a meeting in like 2 minutes. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna pack some orders. I don't know if y'all tried my Bare Me body butter, but it feels so good. Let me show you how smooth it feels. And it just melts right into your skin. So it gives it that glow. And it feels amazing. So yeah. I wanna all night, say it. All night. I wanna all night, say it. All night. Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let you in this club. It's all in the sky, ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill. I wanna all night, say it. All night. I wanna all night, say it. All night. Hello, stranger. Y'all, my camera is trying me when I tell you I need to get another battery or something because this is like really annoying. Anyway, I wanted to go over time management. I need to do better with my time. So I'm like, you know what, while I'm here, let me explain to y'all the importance of time management. First of all, you need to have a schedule of your office hours because a lot of people don't understand that when your office hours is done, like when you're done for the day, you're done for the day. And people doesn't understand office hours. Like they'll still hit you up. Yes, customer service is key, but you also have to get your mental there because if you're constantly working and you're constantly catering, you're not going to be there mentally. You're going to mentally be drained. So it's definitely important to set your hours for working and having time for your family, having time for your friends or whoever you spend your day with. And that goes for me, having time as a mother, having time as a wife. So you definitely have to know the importance of setting away time for that because you do have where you can have a time where your husband might feel like you're working too much, or your son or your daughter may feel like you're working too much. So I just wanted to tell y'all that, and just know that keep working hard, but of course set some time. Okay? Period. It's important. All right. I love y'all. See y'all in my next vlog. Bye.